Besides biological makeup, color perception is about how our brain interprets colors to create something meaningful. The human eye can physically perceive millions of colors. We don't all recognize these colors in the same way. Some people can't see differences in colors, so-called color blindness, due to a defect or absence of the cells in the retina that are sensitive to high levels of light, the cones. But the distribution and density of these cells also varies across people with normal vision, causing us all to experience the same color in slightly different ways. Besides our individual biological makeup, color perception is less about seeing what is actually out there and more about how our brain interprets colors to create something meaningful. The perception of color mainly occurs inside our heads and so is subjective and prone to personal experience. Take for instance people with synesthesia, who are able to experience the perception of color with letters and numbers. Synesthesia is often described as a joining of the senses, where a person can see sounds or hear colors, but the colors they hear also differ from case to case. Another example is the classic Alderson's checker shadow illusion. Here, although two marked squares are exactly the same color, our brains don't perceive them this way. The culture of color. Since the day we were born, we have learned to categorize objects, colors, emotions, and pretty much everything meaningful using language. And although our eyes can perceive thousands of colors, the way we communicate about color, and the way we use color in our everyday lives, means we have to carve this huge variety up into identifiable, meaningful categories: perception, synesthesia, color vision. Read full story. More health.